Hey everybody, it's Ron Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make Indian Bombay potatoes. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on about 6 to 7 medium-sized potatoes. Now you can use any potato you like, that's up to you. And all we want to do is cut these lengthways, then down through the middle, and we just want to shape them like that. And of course you can shape them however you like. Alright, so next we're going to top this up with cold water. Just until it's covering. And on a high heat we're going to bring this up to the boil. Alright, so once you've got a boil going, we just want to boil them for about 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes we'll just strain them. And we'll immediately run cold water and just bring the temperature down. Just that much is fine. So guys, what we're going to do next is actually deep fry these. I find you get the nicest crispy consistency by doing that. And it is of course quicker than doing it in the oven. However, you can do it in the oven if you like. So what I'm going to do is divide our potatoes between my baskets, because we don't want to overcrowd them. And at 180 degrees Celsius, we'll go ahead and put them straight in. And basically, we want to cook these for around 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. So we'll give the baskets a few shakes to make sure they're not sticking. So guys, in the meantime, just into a large bowl, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, or you can use ghee if you prefer, for better flavour. And to this we'll add about 2 teaspoons of salt, about 2 tablespoons of canola oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, about 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, and finally about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now that is optional. And we just want to mix this together and get it well combined. And next I'm going to add in half a handful of finely chopped spring onions. And we'll mix that in as well. Alright guys, so we're at the 4-minute mark now. As you can see, our potatoes are starting to float up. That basically indicates they're cooked all the way through. But apart from that, we've got a beautiful golden brown crispy colour. So we'll take out our baskets, let them sit there for about 10 seconds. And next we're going to add our potatoes straight in to our sauce here while it's still hot. And all we want to do is give it a good toss to get everything nice and mixed. I wish you guys could smell this right now, it's amazing. Alright, and there we go, let's serve. Alright, and there we have it. That's my take on making Bombay potatoes the easy way, and the most flavourful way. And it's a perfect side to anything, but on its own it's a perfect appetizer as well. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.